Hi guys, welcome back to episode 4 of this playthrough, but Corrupted Lands playthrough. What is this? Is this something? Looks like though. Office. Takes so long to mine. Come on! Oh my god. Wow, this is a very good one though. Blood spawner, thank you. More stuff to die. I'm gonna die. Iron sword. Freaking god, let me eat. Alright. I need to eat. Oh! Tree. This is... Okay, good. Oh god. Okay, good. Whoa! Feather dust. Great. I'm gonna let them despawn though. Is this all trap? No. All useless stuff. Okay. Let's get the good stuff out of this area first. Right here, all these things. Few buckets. Some of this. This, the flower useless. There's nothing here already. Okay. Okay, this skelly spawner. Okay, all this good stuff, man. Second trip. Wait a minute, what is this? I think I could open it from here. Looks special. So I gotta keep it. I almost died there too. Getting pin cushion by a skeleton. Don't care about it when I want to secure the area before the cave spiders come ruin me. I think my ignorance skills is very good. Just ignore the cave spider like nothing. Like, oh, I just gonna ignore you and then I gotta ignore it forever. Pretty cool. I did not get a wool, so this diamond swords, this is all put away. All. Instant health potions. All put away, please. Oh, maybe this help. But let me change the pickaxe. So. Seriously? This is all the pick. Never mind, we have enough. Food. I need more arrows. That is why I put that skeleton spawner alive too. So it's pretty good. Well done. Let's get the wool out of the area. There's only one room left, right? With all cave spiders. And in MC Edit I saw that room have witches too. so have fun. Seems like a pretty tough area. Music in the background, but never mind. Those are silverfish rocks. Seriously. Oh, I need an axe for this. Maybe it's a good idea to dig up. Dig in from this side. And a little hard to break. I saw the spiders though. Getting overwhelmed. Break! Come on! Break! Overwhelmed by this stuff. Jump! Light that up. Ow. I can't break it. Getting overwhelmed by this stuff. You guys suck. Son of a bitch. Taste my feather. Oh, this one shot kills them. Good. Maybe not though. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, all these things are good. 7 minutes. 13 torches. I wonder where are all the spiders coming from. Up there. Hope nothing do this. Nothing gets in my way now. Right. Nope, nothing was spawned. Yeah. Die. Good. I want that. Which corner down there to die now? Die. Yes. We did it. We did it. The wool is ours. Victory. Okay, I can make a bait with this. Haha. Get a little bit of the wool. And get the rest of the loot out of this area. Like this. Clocking up the inventory space though. No, this is junk. But here I have something like this, so those are good. glass useless. These two useless. Wait, this one useful. I'm going to break this with this sword. Maybe this change with this. Whoa. There's a spawning area now for those skeletons. They can shoot me. I got everything I need. I can farm bread too. I think next I will go to a thick forest. There's one more piece of iron. Thick forest, get some of those stuff. Like I'm gonna get seeds planting to get better food and so on. Sorry, I knocked on the table. Maybe it's a bad idea to put it there. It's a good idea to put it here. Clocking up all of my inventory space. Now I need the arrows. Woo! Hello, melon. Have fun. One wool. Place it yellow wool. Wow. This is in the middle, man. Okay, I gotta show the victory money meme too. Grey wool, white wool, orange wool, magenta, blah 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 blah. And I have not died. Single player. Play on easy. Okay. Do I have more bones? Yes. Bone meal. Yes. Good. Thank you for growing. Thank you for growing. Thank you for all your contribution growing here. I appreciate it. Okay, good. Well, this is pretty awesome, but it's not really good. This is very good. These swords, rather than stupid swords. But don't complain now. Okay, I'm gonna get that chest down though. Today. Whoa. Get this chest down. So out of the danger zone of enemies. Crap, it drops down. Okay, let's get out. Get back in. Okay, good. We did that without any problem. Oh my god, all the good stuff is all over here. Okay, armor doing well. This sword, not bad. This is still better, but this one breaks very easily. Okay. Never mind, I have my secondary weapon. I'm so stupid. Where's my bone meal? These have not fully grown. These have not. Now, everyone fully grown, right? For durability pickaxe. Okay. Did I get the seeds? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, I will end it now. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next episode.